Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 1st. 1739 America New York, Australia Coronavirus. Rumor of a surge in new cases today for second largest population state Victoria. Chatter about as 170 plus yesterday Premier of the state Dan Andrews on the zero COVID strategy he has been pursuing for a year and a half. Threw in the towel.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 1st. 1738 America New York, West Virginia Governor Jim Justice settles with bank over soured business loans. Under the deal, the Justice family and Carter Bank and AMP Trust will restructure $368 million in loans made to several closely held companies.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 1st. 1716 America New York, OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma bankruptcy plan approved. The OxyContin maker won court approval of a roughly $4.5 billion bankruptcy settlement that shields its owners, members of the Sackler family, from lawsuits accusing them of contributing to the opioid epidemic in exchange for providing funds to combat the crisis.
Forex Live. September 1st. 1711 America New York, Canada largest population province Ontario will embrace vaccine passports. Ontario's Premier Doug Ford initially opposed adoption of digital proof of vaccination on some spurious BS grounds. He has now come around. Ontario will require digital proof of inoculation against COVID-19 to visit venues such as bars, restaurants, nightclubs and indoor sporting facilities.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 1st. 1701 America New York, electric delivery truck maker Workhorse faces SEC probe. Ohio-based Workhorse Group was an early investor in now struggling startup Lordstown Motors, which is also under investigation by the SEC.
Daily FX Market News. September 1st. 1700 America New York, Nasdaq 100 starts the month with bullish bias and AMP ekes out record close. Now what? Nasdaq 100 starts the month with a positive bias and sets record closing high on the back of low U.S. Treasury yields, but downside risks continue to build in the near term.
Forex Live. September 1st. 1652 America New York. WHO is monitoring a new coronavirus variant, Mu, a risk of resistance to vaccines. World Health Organization is tracking Mu, a strain of SARS-CoV-2 first detected in Colombia at the start of the year. Mu has been reported in sporadic outbreaks in parts of South America and Europe.
New York Times Business. September 1st. 1642 America New York, Purdue Pharma is dissolved and Sacklers pay $4.5 billion to settle opioid claims. The ruling in bankruptcy court caps a long legal battle over the fate of a company accused of fueling the opioid epidemic and the family that owns it.
Forex Live. September 1st. 1642 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread. Thursday the 2nd of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. September 1st. 1634 America New York, China requires all foreign ships entering the South China Sea register with Chinese maritime authorities. China says the new rule will apply to the South China Sea, the East China Sea, and the islands and reefs dotted across those waters. China claims these as its territory.
New York Times Business. September 1st. 1610 America New York, Top Gun, Maverick, delayed until May 2022. The studio cited uncertainty about the willingness of moviegoers to brave the fast-spreading Delta variant. Tom Cruise in Top Gun, Maverick. Theater owners were counting on the movie to help salvage their year.
Forex Live. September 1st. 1603 America New York, Nasdaq closes at a record high for the 33rd time this year. S&P AMP fails on attempt to close at record. The Nasdaq index is also closing near its session lows but had a more solid gain for the day, and is closing at a record level. Forex Live. September 1st. 1601 America New York. Here is what's on the economic calendar in Asia today, Thursday the 2nd of September 2021. 2245 GMT New Zealand terms of trade for Q2 0130 GMT Australia housing finance data for July, home loans to owner-occupiers and investors etc. 2350 GMT Japan Monetary Base. Forex Live. September 1st. 1600 America New York. Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Big ADP miss weighs on the US dollar. Forex news for New York trade on September 1, 2021. Markets. Gold up $1 to $1,814 US 10-year yields flat at 1.30%. WTI crude oil down 6 cents to $68.44. The ADP employment report has a terrible track record of predicting non-farm payrolls, but the market bit on it once again this month, sending the dollar 30 to 40 pips.
Daily FX Market News. September 1st. 1600 America New York. Oil price rebound emerges as OPEC keeps crude production steady. Current market conditions may keep the price of oil afloat as OPEC remains reluctant to push production towards pre-pandemic levels.
Armstrong Economics. September 1, 1557 America New York. Australia's finest politician setting new standards for the world. This compiled video sums up Australia's finest politician and how absolutely insane she has become in the face of this manipulated pandemic for political purposes.
New York Times Business. September 1, 1540 America New York. Businesses push Biden to develop China trade policy. 7 months into a new administration, companies want the White House to drop tariffs on Chinese goods and provide clarity about a critical trade relationship. The Port of Oakland in California, one of the main ports for receiving Chinese imports.
Armstrong Economics. September 1, 1531 America New York. I bought a politician, cheaper by the dozen. The post "I bought a politician, cheaper by the dozen" first appeared on Armstrong Economics.
Forex Live. September 1, 1529 America New York. ANZ sees a further fall in GBP, AUD coming. ANZ looks for a tactical trade in the Australian dollar. From my perspective, the chart of GBP, AUD looks to be breaking down, and 1.8500 might be an overly conservative target. Forex Live. September 1, 1527 America New York. Technical levels to eye in the new trading day. A review of some of the major currency pairs. The EUR/USD moved up to test a swing area between 1.18507 and 1.18568. The high price reached 1.1856 and the price rotated to the downside. In the new trading day, traders will be eyeing that area above as a key target on the top side. Get above and stay above, and traders will start